XRP is going to become a beast next cycle. I'm guessing he's talking about this cycle, guys. Now in today's video, we're talking about what's really taking place with XRP's price, not only with XRP, but more specifically with the whole crypto sphere, guys, right? Generally, because we have a lot to talk about. Something interesting is brewing as we speak, guys, and most, I guess this is going under the radar, most are turning a blind eye to it. From Nick, someone just market bought 18.6 million Bitcoin, right, dollar amounts on Binance. Wait a minute, what? Biggest I've seen in a very long time. What does that tell us, guys? Wash trading, right? Propping up the markets. They don't want the markets to literally die, guys. Even though the whole world is going to as we speak, they want to pump these markets, guys, right? Smaller the pullbacks, higher the pumps. As we see, Bitcoin whales open giga long positions at $29,000. Before we talk about all these whales, guys, this is how we know an explosive move is on the horizon. Why? Because the people who are in the know, right, who move these markets, the market makers, such as the whales, guys, are opening longs at these prices. Why? Because they know what's upcoming. Before we talk about that chart or those charts right there, now why are we talking about Bitcoin, guys? Remember, it's because XRP follows Bitcoin, right? Bitcoin definitely has the crown as we speak. It's the #1 coin out there, guys. The first coin that came about, right? It's Bitcoin. This is why everything is attached to Bitcoin, guys, right? Now, we need XRP to decouple. How? Well, we all believe it will happen with the SEC case, right? We believe two things actually: SEC case and then utility. That's what we have stated all the damn time, right? All this damn time. SEC case did actually decouple, make XRP decouple for a short period of time. Why? It went from what, 50-60 cents all the way to 90 something cents, guys, right? While Bitcoin didn't even move as much. Think about that. But people still said it didn't decouple, but now it's reattached, right? The only way I can see XRP decouple truly is by institutions and banks using XRP's utility, right? Use case needs to go live, guys. Now, so for the time being, since XRP is attached to Bitcoin, let us talk about Bitcoin because it shows there's an explosive move on the horizon. Pro tip: to spot old whales, giga long / short positions, focus on low volume derivative exchanges such as Huobi Whale. Long that 16k, guys, right? Look what happened afterwards. We pumped and now it's at 30k Bitcoin. Next whale, BitMEX whale, long that 17k before the pump occurred. So these people buy before, or they long, right? They open long positions, which means they believe the markets will go up and pump before it actually occurs, guys, right? Next, Bybit whale, long that 18k over here, guys, right? All the way here. And look what happened. We pumped. Next one. We got all these whales longing at 17k, right? 16k over here on all other different exchanges. So, but now look what just happened, guys. Check this out. This is how we know something massive is brewing, because we got BitMEX, an exchange right here, a whale longed at around 29k. Next one. We now see Bybit exchange right here, another whale longed at around 29k ish, guys, right? And then we got Huobi, the exchange that there are rumors floating that's about to implode. This whale longed at this whale opened a long at around 29k as well, right? So all these whales are opening massive longs, guys, right? Which means they believe the market is going to pump here shortly, right? So this is looking really good, guys, right? Really good, actually. Bitcoin open interest on Binance is now at its highest point since the FTX collapse. It has seen a $500 million increase in the past day alone, guys. Something is cooking, most definitely, right? All the way, so guys, this is crazy, right? So either a move to the downside or upside is coming soon, guys, right? And it's going to be explosive. Now, we're talking about green candles everywhere, guys, right? Crazy green candles. Some people are even talking about $10,000 green candles, guys. Now that's pretty crazy, but a few thousand easily, guys, right? That's nothing for Bitcoin. Now, and which means every other coin under Bitcoin will rise dramatically as well. So Bitcoin could soar to $180,000 before April 2024 halving, guys. Fundstrat has said. Now, this is where they laid the trap down, right? To fool everyone, I believe so. I believe when Bitcoin starts to pump to 45K and creates and makes a new all-time high, right? People will be so euphoric, guys. Everyone's moms, dogs, grandmas will buy Bitcoin, most definitely, right? And then they're going to, which obviously the people then believe that Bitcoin will be heading towards 6 figures and whatnot, guys, right? But then this is where the trap is laid. What if it doesn't even go above 100K, guys, right? My opinion is Bitcoin tops out at $90,000. Why 90? Because you dropped at 0. 9 is complete. The cycle is completed at that point in time. That's just my belief, guys, right? Anything could happen. These people can make a massive bull run before the collapse occurs, right? So it all depends, I guess, on them, on what they want to do, guys. Now, so that's with Bitcoin, guys, right? Looking very good. What do we see here from Ethereum? Ethereum has spent well over 400 days inside this ascending triangle. So there's a pattern that has been forming literally for over a year, guys. Preparing for a breakout. Do you believe it's going to pump down, go down, right? Break low, break lower? I don't think so, guys. Why? Because this pattern has a bullish bias to it, right? It's a bullish bias pattern. It usually breaks up. Obviously, it could break down, but the chances of it going down are like 20-30%, right? Pumping up is like 70%. Now, or breaking up is a lot higher than breaking down. When that break comes, I expect it moves hard. I'm ready. Are you? Exactly, guys. So this is Ethereum. Remember, we need these coins to start pumping, guys, right? Because last time these coins started pumping, XRP did as well. Now, let's say we break up. This is about, it's gonna take, if we reach the target of this pattern, it should take us to around 3K, right? $3,000 for Ethereum, which is about, I think, maybe around 45K Bitcoin, guys, around there. I'm not quite sure, right? And then we may cool off after that point and then rise again, right? For to reach new all-time highs. So things are looking really good, to say the least. Now with XRP, right? So we got Bitcoin, Ethereum, and now XRP. This is why I longed, guys, as well a few days ago, because my belief is we pump before we see the catastrophic collapse occurs, guys, right? So I do want to take advantage of this upcoming move. Hopefully, I mean, throwing a leverage long, guys, is super risky, so I wouldn't recommend anyone to even go near it, right? Or even look at it, guys. This is why I haven't shown you guys about my long position. But overall, everything looks fairly good, guys. I am heavily bullish as we speak, guys. Most definitely. Continue back to the video. XRP to Bitcoin. XRP Bitcoin pairing has been stuck underneath the 200-week moving average for over 4 years. XRP broke out once it was deemed not a security and is now very close to backtesting that 200-week moving average breakout level, as you guys can see. Wow. Wow. Whoa, this is a crazy chart from BC Backer, guys. Check this out. The reason being is because of this right here. We got XRP to Bitcoin pairing, right? Now, this is the purple line is a 200 moving average, guys. We have been stuck under this line, this moving average, this MA, for literally how many years, guys? 4 years, right? How many years did he say? For over 4 years, by the way, right? Since middle of 2019. That's absolutely just ridiculous, guys, right? And now look what just happened. When XRP got clarity, it pumped all the way through, right? This the purple line, and it's now coming back to retest it, which is looking. This is a bullish structure, guys, right? You pump, you come back to retest, and then you move back up again. So things are looking very beautiful again. Bitcoin is looking very good. The insiders are longing because they probably know what's upcoming. Then we have Ethereum here, about to break out of its ascending triangle, right? I'm thinking it's going to break up. It's going to break out upwards. Then we have XRP retesting, and now we're probably going to pump as well. Not only that, XRP prints a rare gold cross. This has only been seen twice before with XRP in history. The appearance of this third golden cross could well lead to a prolonged bull market that is unprecedented, guys. Exactly, right? So in today's video, we are looking at all the indicators, right? That will put us a few steps ahead of everyone else in the game, because the charts always tells you what's upcoming, right? Then the news follows and supports the charts, guys. This is XRP right here. Look what happened. So this is a golden cross, right? As you guys can see, previously we got a golden cross before that magnificent pump right here, right? Next up, we got another golden cross right here, guys. That was right before XRP had that parabolic move up towards 70 cents or so, right? And then the SEC sued Ripple and attacked XRP, and we dumped, but we still moved up to around about just under $2, guys, right? And now we just had another rare golden cross, guys, right? And these golden crosses, by the way, look at this. The last time was back in 2021, or no, end of 2020. The previous one before then was back at end of 2016, guys, right? So we see one of these occurring every few years or so. This is how you guys know this is very significant, guys. In conclusion, it tells us that basically right here, a potential shift from bearish to bullish sentiments, guys. Exactly, right? There you guys go. Look at, so basically, in conclusion, guys, the cryptosphere generally, with all these crypto coins, are looking very bullish as we speak, guys, right? Now, this video is definitely not financial advice. Let us see what occurs in the future. Not financial advice, not financial advice, not financial advice. Perhaps we should prepare. Who knows, though. But anyways, that's what you guys amazing is. See ya.